Hey there, and welcome to Grip News 2M. I'm Daniel, and in this video, we're going to be talking all about investing in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has become one of the most talked about topics in the investment world, and for good reason. With huge gains to be made, more and more people are looking to get involved. But where do you start? That's what we're here to answer. Before we dive into the world of cryptocurrency, let's first define what it is. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency that is decentralized and operates independently of a central bank. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are many others out there, such as Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. So, why should you consider investing in cryptocurrency? Well, for one, it's a great way to diversify your portfolio. Cryptocurrency has the potential for huge gains, and it's not correlated with the stock market, which means it can be a great hedge against volatility. Plus, with the increasing adoption of digital currencies by mainstream companies, it's becoming more and more mainstream. But, of course, with any investment, there are risks involved. Cryptocurrency is a highly volatile market, and prices can fluctuate wildly. It's important to do your research and understand the risks before investing any money. So, how do you get started with investing in cryptocurrency? The first step is to choose a platform to buy and sell digital currencies. There are many options out there, but some of the most popular include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Once you've chosen your platform, you'll need to create an account and verify your identity. Next, you'll need to choose which cryptocurrencies to invest in. It's important to do your research and understand the fundamentals of each currency. Look for coins with a strong development team, a solid use case, and a large community of supporters. Finally, it's important to have a strategy when investing in cryptocurrency. Decide how much you're willing to invest and when you'll buy and sell. Don't let emotions guide your decisions, and always stick to your plan. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn huge gains. But it's important to do your research, understand the risks, and have a solid strategy in place. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Grip News 2M. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and we'll be sure to respond. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you